Contradicting comments from Florida's Surgeon General after he says certain people should not get the new COVID booster shot. And this goes against the CDC's recommendations. Maricela Burgos is live in Miami now with what this all means. Maricela.
Joe, and once again, we're hearing mixed messages from federal agencies and our state leaders on whether or not people should get another booster. Some health officials are encouraging people to get an updated COVID-19 vaccine from Pfizer or Moderna, with cases expected to rise. But that is not sitting well with everyone. On Tuesday, the CDC recommended the new shots for every American ages 6 months and older. Those shots, which experts say will protect against newer variants, are expected to be available this week. Some experts argue these new shots would help save lives, with immunity from previous shots fading.
The variants that are going around now are pretty infectious.
Coronavirus immunity decreases over time.
But on Wednesday, a strong reaction from our state leaders questioning the data and some warning against getting boosted.
Multiple studies now in the United States, in the Middle East, I think in Brazil or South American country, multiple studies that are now finding that after 4 to 6 months, what was just waning effectiveness in terms of prevention of infection is entering a negative area, which means that there's evidence, at least now from multiple studies, that after some time, it appears from these studies that there is this risk of increased infection.
Governor DeSantis tweeted in part, "We will not stand by and let the FDA and CDC use Floridians as guinea pigs for mRNA jabs that have not been proven to be safe or effective."
Right now, we're sitting in a totally devoid of any useful data, and so it puts us all in a very difficult position when it comes to whether or not to recommend or take these vaccines.
We know that federal agencies have sent Florida's Surgeon General a letter in the past about controversial claims regarding COVID-19, calling his claims harmful to the public. Live in Miami, Maricela Burgos, 7 News.